All right, in today's question, we're going to be looking at this question that said if log 1 minus root x over root x in base x equals to 0, we have to find the value of x. Now, the first thing is to write out the question. And also take note of the law of logarithm that was written on the top right corner of the board. That is, when we have log m raised to power p to base n, it becomes log m in base n. It becomes p log m in base n. Then, following the second law, the general law, that's the relationship between indices and logarithm. So we express this as 1 minus root x over root x raised to power 2 equals to x raised to power 0. Now, simplifying what is inside the brackets on the left-hand side, so x raised to power 0 is 1. Now, when you expand the bracket up, the answer is going to be giving us 1 minus 2 root x plus x. 1 minus 2 root x plus x. Yeah, 1 minus 2 root x plus x over x equals to 1, because root x times root x will give you x at the denominator. And when you cross multiply, we are going to be having 1 minus 2 root x plus x equals to x. Then we are going to collect like times. So when we collect like terms, we are going to be having 1 minus 2 root x equals to x minus x. You bring the positive x on the, so the positive x will go to the right hand side of the equation. So that will make it 0, x minus x, because then we have minus 2 root x equals to minus 1 when you collect like times. Then when you square both sides, when we square both sides, we have minus 2 root x times minus 2 root x, and minus 1 raised to power 2 is minus 1 times 1. So when you do minus 2 root x times minus 2 root x, that will give you 4x, and minus 1 raised to power 2 is 1. So x is going to be 1 over 4. And when you check the option, that's option B. Also, don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels.